Today we're going to solve a problem called next smaller element to the right. So what we have given an array. For each element, we have to find the next smaller element to its right. And if no such element, we have to return -1. And if we solve by using the brute force approach, finding the next element, we have to run twice and it will take O of n squared time. But we can optimize this solution using a monotonic stack. We will traverse the array from right to left and keep the stack in increasing order. So the approach would be that we have given array, we have given that array to the next smaller element function. When it goes to the next smaller element function, we have n the size of array vector. We have the answer size of vector. If we are giving n, and we have stack st that currently is empty. So what we are doing right now, we are just traversing right to left while stack top is greater than or equal to the current element. If it's that and if stack is empty, we will pop the stack, like pop the element from the stack. And if not, what we will do, we will stack top is the answer. The stack top is the answer. And if it comes out of the loop and if the stack is not empty, then we will push the stack, like push the current element in the stack. And later on, after that, when the loop ends all the iteration, we will return the answer. So let's dive in this solution. Supposedly we have given array 4, 8, 5, 2, 25. Supposedly we have 25 first and our stack is empty. What we will do, we have 20, our answer is -1, like no smallest element, -1. We to have 25, we push that into stack, we pop it, still the -1. Then we got 5 and then we got 2, again -1 is the answer. And then we got 5 as an element. In our stack, element is 2. So if we see the smallest element is 2, so we answer becomes 2. Then we got 8 as an element. We have 5 and 2 in our stack. So if we see, the 5 becomes the next smaller element. So answer becomes 5. And we pop the second element. Afterwards, we receive 4. Then our stack contains 2. If we pop in 2 in the stack, we will see that 2 is the next smaller element, so it will return 2. So the answer would be -1, -1, 2, 5, 2. Let's also, and what we will do, we will just, when we returning the answer, we will just return the opposite of that. Because we're pushing in the stack, and when the element goes out of the stack, it's like last in, first out. So let's also try run this code. So here we can see we got 2, 5, 2, -1 and -1.